Hello my friends, how is everybody doing today? Hopefully you guys are having an awesome day. Today I'm here to share with you guys this ephemera book that I purchased on Amazon. If you haven't gone checked out Sasson's latest ephemera book share, definitely go and check it out. I will leave a link to his channel down below, but you can always find his channel by visiting my homepage and you'll see it right there on the side. So this is a vintage journal imagery by Catherine Anderson. And I purchased this a few weeks before I got my craft room switched over. So I did kind of get a chance to look at it, but I hadn't gotten a chance to actually share it with you all. And I just think this book is so nice. There's so many different eclectic spreads on here that you can use up. So I wanted to do this quick little flip through and show you guys all the beautiful images that are in here. Now these are not single-sided, so you have images on both sides, so you either have to copy the page or you have to you know, choose the side, which sometimes is not the easiest thing to do. So for the most part, I most likely the pages that I don't really care so much for, then I'll definitely cut up, but the ones that I do care for, I'll make copies of and just have them handy and available. And these are copyright images, copyright free images, so basically you can reproduce them and do whatever you would like with them and you are good to go. But the good thing is that I think that they are covered up with like this kind of backing, but this backing is super nice as well. So like, it's a really hard choice, you guys. It's a really hard choice. I like the paper. It's semi-glossy. You guys can see it's got like a little bit of shine to it. It's got, you know, a good thickness to it. It's not super thin, but it is paper at the end of the day. But you got some really cool vintage looking pictures and all these really awesome ephemera type envelopes and postcards on the back. And these are a little bit on the larger scale, so for like when I make larger you know, projects, or for lap books and stuff like that, which I'm going to be getting into shortly once again. I do have an idea for a really fun swap. I kind of mistakenly put the video up too soon without actually coming to you guys to talk to you guys, so I did take the video down. But I did want to touch base with you all because I'm interested in doing like a swap that it's like a build-a-book swap where we kind of exchange pieces, you know, themed pieces for the purpose of making lap books, journals, things of that nature. So let me know down below if you guys would be interested in something like that. I would really love to hear it. I'm kind of working on the video again because I have to fix I'm going to be redoing that video again because I just didn't like some parts of it. And so I think I spoke more than I shared as far as information, which I tend to do, you guys know. But anywho, I'm going to get back to this. But in case you're interested, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. It's going to be for building a book. So it's going to be different things for the creation of, you know, making flip books, journals, lap books, all of that good stuff. Oh, this is pretty. So you have a lot of nice elements in here. Then you can make a really super cool looking book, you guys. And if you have a printer scanner, then you can scan some of these images and change the sizes, print them on different papers, and you can have a lot of fun working with these. Very cool. This is very pretty. She's really cute too. She's serious. This lady played no games. So yeah, like you guys can see, I think a lot of this was probably her own collage work. And by her I mean Catherine Anderson. Okay, moving right along. This is really cool. This would be a really nice for the cover, like of a flip book or some kind of a journal or a junk journal or something like that, like a vintage junk journal. That would look really nice as the cover. Some of these elements I don't understand, but I guess you can cut these out and do something else with it. Scan it first. Scan it first. But yeah, these are super cool. A nice collection of just different imagery. Love the butterflies that she used in this book. She looks like my grandma a little bit. Oh, this is nice. We have the dual, we have the facing both sides. That would be really cool for one of those lap books that flip onto each other. You could put one on the flap and then one on the inside flap, so it's like bam bam. I think that would look really, really nice. Oh, I love this one. Oh, I really love this one right here. Very nice. Very, very nice. Let me bring that up. You guys can't even see it. That's really, really cool right there. And this is as well. This would be nice for like a mixed media canvas. Oh, we got buttons, different vintagey buttons on that one. Oh, we got a muscle man on a bike. I really like this this book. Oh, we got smaller ones. These will make really nice tags or pockets for, like, again. Oh, so inspired. So inspired. Oh, this one's really cool. Look at that one. It almost looks like you can touch the texture, right? Like you can feel the texture. These are really, really nice quality pages. And look at these. You can use these to actually for the front and the back cover of a book, of a junk journal. Ooh, and then we have a really big one that you can make a really big one. Oh, you guys know I'm all over this. I'm all over this one right here. You guys know that's gonna be on the cover of the book on something. And then we have some really pretty butterflies that you can cut apart. And again, these pictures are vintage, you guys, so you're not going to get pristine HD quality like what our eyes are used to seeing now. These are going to be somewhat faded. Oh, she gave me a whole page full of this wonderful little girl in her beautiful dress. And you can see she feels so pretty. She's so excited. Whatever that occasion was, it must have been a wonderful occasion. Look at these huge butterflies. A lot of butterflies in this book, I see. And we have the same image with different backgrounds, but you can just cut the image out if you want to use it on something else. That's something that I've been doing a lot of lately, is cutting out, I cut the backgrounds out to just keep the people, and then I get to use them in all different types of fun stuff. You guys are going to see some of that coming up soon. I'm working on a project right now. Oh, you can hear Venus in the background eating. So she's enjoying her snack. One of the two. Yeah, she's probably licking peanut butter off of her little toy. These are really cool. These are nice little tags. You can cut them all out individually and they're ready to go. You just have to embellish them a little bit. Maybe tuck some lace behind it or some of that cotton trim that looks really nice and vintagey. So here we have more of those like journaling cards type. Pretty butterflies. I'm sorry if I'm out of frame, you guys. I'm enjoying these images so much that I'm like forgetting to make sure that it's in proper frame. So I do apologize for that. It's really nice. And then again, another card that you can make like all different types of really fun vintage type of cards and tags, and just you can add these elements to so many different things. More of those awesome butterflies. I think these are sized to match. Yeah, these might be sized to match, so these might be ready to go. What you gotta do is cut them apart. Beautiful, beautiful book. Oh my god, I love it. These I would use just like that. Those are beautiful. I love the colors. I love the, you guys know me in blue and teals and greens. I love them. That's like my color spectrum right there. But really nice book overall. full of really fun images and also some ideas, right? So for things that you yourself can create and remake. Super, super cool, you guys. So this is the book. It's got, let's see if it tells me how many pages. It doesn't tell me how many pages, but as you guys can see, it's got quite a few. It's got quite a few. It's got some thickness to it. So it's got quite a few. It's a really, really fun book, and you even have, she even added them to the back cover, so if you wanted like some cardstock type, then you definitely have it here. That is, let me see if I can bring it into focus, the number of the book. In case you can't find it on Amazon, maybe you can find it somewhere else. That is the name of the book, I mean the number for the book, and again the name of the book. And shop around. I know Amazon has it, but sometimes you can get these books at a you know, at a cheaper, more affordable. You can find these books at a more affordable price if you shop around. So definitely check it out. The author again is Catherine Anderson. I will leave a link to this book in the description area down below so that you guys can go check it out. I will also list some of the other books that I have been finding here and there, the ones that I probably showed you in the past as well. So if you're in the mood to shop around for some awesome ephemera books, and just click those links and you'll be right there. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you all so much for taking the time out of your day to be here with me today. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up if you like these types of shares. I definitely like bringing these to you, but definitely let me know down below what you guys think as far as the build a book swap. So let me know that's something that you guys will be interested in. Again, it's going to be all different types of stuff that we're going to be making, and I'll have more information on that later on. But first, I would really appreciate to get a feel for what you guys think about, you know, being a part of something like that. Again, it would be to swap elements that we create for bookmaking. Okay, so thank you guys so much. Have an awesome day, and I will catch you all on the next one. Bye.